Hello friends, thank you for visiting me today. I would like to share my latest project with you, which is an altered file folder created out of a file folder obviously, and then there's numerous flaps and pockets and things which are made out of envelopes. I used mostly one of the new paper collections that will be in my Etsy very soon, and also some papers from older collections that sort of match this collection. Alright, I'll link the new collection below. Let's go through it. So the cover is an envelope that flaps open, and on top of it is a vintage photo, which is actually one of my own relatives, or my husband rather. And as you can see, I sort of embossed right around the edges with Stampende's ancient silver embossing powder that gives it a nice sort of frame, I think. Then you can fold it open, right, and there you see a pocket, well, a belly band I should say. There is a pocket as well that's inside the envelope. Currently that's empty, but you could stick in a letter or some notes, some secret notes you want, or whatever you like. Then it flaps open this way, and here you can see there is a pocket again, quite a white pocket decorated with some lace, and then there is a double sort of fold out tag. So it opens up like this, and then you can turn it over and it's all nicely embellished. It's not really a journaling thing, you know, it's because there's no space for journaling. It's more a sort of decoration, just a fun element. Alright, so that fits in here. And then here there is some further pockets with little ephemera that are all part of the collection. There you go, and two little ones here. And then this flaps over this way. And then here there's another flap out. I hope you can see that. So double pocket that I just showed. And then here a little pocket with another vintage photo, a belly band that has another little ephemera piece in it, and then this folds like this, and then you can fold it over like this, and then on the back there are more pockets, another photo that tucks in here, another envelope here. You can see more that it's all made out of envelopes. Oop, I'm trying to take this out, I'm struggling. This is a tiny little notebook that fits in here. See, there's blank pages. So there's several notebooks, as you will see, and that tucks in here. Then this flaps, and there's another little pocket. Believe it or not, this is actually my dad and his brother. I love this photo. I scanned it, obviously. Right, and then here's another panel. Look, let's have it in frame. This flaps up with a journaling card in there, which is a little bit tricky from where I'm sitting to take out, but I shall try. Here we go. Yeah. And that fits in there, then I'll do that afterwards. Here is a tuck. Hope you can see that. Yeah, with a tag, all these sort of elements tucked and in pockets and so on, they all are plain on the back so that you have journaling space. Apart from that double tag that I showed, which is really a decorative piece. But see here, this one also is blank on the back. And then here's another one which is blank on the back, and so on. They all fit in these pockets. I'll stick them back afterwards. Now, in the middle, I've sewn a whole little notebook. There's lots of blank pages for journaling. And then here is a flap that goes down, which has more journaling option inside. Nice bit of ephemera, blank on the back. Oops, again, I'll do that afterwards. And then here are a couple of tags, yeah, that fit underneath this belly band. This goes up, Oh, I keep forgetting how it all folds together. There we go. Boop, like this. I'll have to put this down. See, there's so many flaps and bits. Look, I was out of frame. My apologies. Okay, and then finally we come to the end. Just decorate it with some trim. But that's not all. Because it's really a folded over file folder, there's two big pockets at the top as well. So in the one, I've put just a tiny little notebook, journal, whatever you want to call it. These pages, I added some stenciling, but the basic journal page bit, whatever you want to call it, is part of the new collection. So you can just print it and make numerous little booklets. And then here is one of these mini file folders. That's part of another, that's the fade, I forget what it's called, but you'll find it in my Etsy. And that has little pockets, funky dyed papers. There's numerous other little, just little embellishments that you can use for whatever you like, really. So that's it. Hope you like it, and maybe you feel inspired to make one yourself, which would be good. Thank you for visiting, and I'll see you next time.